What's going on, guys? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Hank of the Month Club subscription from Gondek EDC for August of 2022. If you're not familiar with this subscription, for $10 a month, they'll send you a 7.5 by 7.5 inch Hank that's exclusive to this subscription. They don't sell it in their store, although they sell many other Hanks. This is the only place you can get this one, and you can also use that Hank of the Month Club Hank for material for custom pouches if you order any of the pouches from their store, only if you're subscribed to Hank of the Month Club. And again, it's $10 a month shipped, so super good value there. But let's go ahead and dive in and check it out. So we'll take a look at the Hank itself, and then we'll read the letter for those interested. But cool kind of, I don't know what this pattern's called. It kind of reminds me of the old Alpine Star logo or brand, if anyone's familiar with that, but there's definitely a name for this pattern. Maybe it'll mention it in the letter, but kind of a cool looking design, just black and white, really simple. A little bit on the plainer side, but again, decent looking pattern. So this is our 31st month of the Hank of the Month Club. It's also is another record number of members, and we love seeing all your posts with your Hank of the Months. Keep them coming. This month's design was picked out by yours truly, Lauren. Sewing and decorating are at the top of my hobby list, and this Hank combines both. Houndstooth, that's what it is. This month's print has always been one of my absolute favorite patterns. It's classic, it never goes out of style. It feels a little fancy to me too. I love to use it whenever I can. When I stumbled on this sketch style version of the pattern, I knew we had to use it. Classic but edgy. It's a staple pattern that everyone should have in their closet, or pocket for that matter. Ha! I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Hank as much as I do. This is one that would be awesome to order some matching gear. And speaking of, we may or may not have some new designs in the pipeline, so get excited for those too. As always, thank you so much for being a member of our club. We can't wait to show you what's in the months to come. Happy hanking. Thanks, Max and Lauren Gondek. So yeah, I guess it's called Houndstooth, and yeah, kind of a cool looking Hank. Would also double as a nice like pocket square. If you wear kind of like dress shirts, you can use it as a pocket square. But again, just a kind of a classic pattern, as I mentioned in the letter, and as I mentioned, just simple and to the point, but pretty good looking. So let me know what you think of this month's Hank down in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button as well. And as always, hope you have a great one. Take care.